Storyboards. Storyboards. Storyboards are used to visually map key processes and deliverables. Strategically. Strategically. The project manager strategically allocated resources to critical tasks to ensure timely completion. Subjective. Subjective. Stakeholder satisfaction is subjective, and different stakeholders may have varying expectations and perceptions. Submitted. Submitted. The final report was submitted to the stakeholders for review and approval before project closure. Subset. Subset. The high-priority subset of tasks was completed first to avoid delays. Supplier. Supplier. The supplier was selected for delivering quality materials on time and within budget. Supplies. Supplies. The project team managed supplies to avoid shortages during execution. Surplus. Surplus. A surplus of budget was available due to efficient cost management, which can be reallocated for future needs. Systematically. Systematically. The team systematically reviewed each phase to ensure compliance with requirements. Thereby, by completing the tasks ahead of schedule, the team freed up resources, thereby reducing project risk. Tolerances. Tolerances. The project manager defined tolerances for time and cost to monitor deviations. Tracks. Tracks. The project manager tracks progress through updates and performance reports. Trademarks. Trademarks. The project's final deliverables must adhere to legal standards, including protecting trademarks and intellectual property. Transitioned. Transitioned. The team transitioned to the next phase after completing the initial deliverables. Transmitted. Transmitted. The final documentation was transmitted to stakeholders for review. Transparency. Transparency. Transparency in decision-making builds trust and enhances collaboration. Trigger. Trigger. A scope change can trigger a review to assess its impact on objectives. Triple. Triple. The triple constraint of project management refers to balancing time, cost, and scope to achieve the desired project outcome. Ultimately, the project's success depends on meeting objectives within the timeline and budget. Uncertainties. Uncertainties. Uncertainties are managed through risk assessment and mitigation strategies.